Hey you guys, I just spent 15 minutes shooting an entire video and I didn't have it framed correctly, so Welcome to another episode of Small Town Inc. I got Magenta the shop cat here. She's very needy right now because it's Saturday. We're not usually here on Saturday, but anyways, she needs some loving. A few weeks ago, Gene over at firesprint.com reached out to me about a brand new sample kit that they put together for their customers. It's something that you can order on their website. They are not a sponsor of the channel, but he wanted me to take a look at it, and he said if I want to make a video of it, go ahead and make a video of it. So I thought I would go ahead and do that. We utilize samples here at the shop all the time. It just makes it easier for clients to know what they're ordering. Most clients act like they've never seen a banner before, and they have no idea what a banner material is. Somehow they always they never know what 24 by 36 size is. It's like a totally foreign concept to them. No one's seen a ruler before, so anyways, you guys know how it is. No one's seen a yardstick apparently. I shot the whole video. So the first video I shot was pure reaction of this stuff, and unfortunately, yeah, it's a little tainted now. Now I've seen all the stuff. I didn't know what was in here before. They give you a little bit of a clue on here. They put a giant sticker with a little bit of information about all the stuff. So anyways, there is a little sticker sample pack, which I have taken all of the contents out of already. So I'm just gonna go back and go through all that. Hey, Magenta. Yes. All right, so first thing we have here, magnet, sample calendar magnet. This is something we do quite a bit, so it's nice to know that they have this available. You can see right here, they put the product description on here. So it's an O2O magnetic material. Here's something we know a lot about here at Mr. Postman Print Shop, the perforated window decal. This is 70/30 window proof. Perf, we do that a lot here at the shop. Here's a poster sample material. I don't know what type of poster material they're using, but I really like this material. It's very glossy. I typically use a Canon outdoor paper, but it's very matte-like. I like the look of this. They provide several samples of sheet stickers. So there's a sheet sticker there. That is glass permanent laminated. Then you have the gloss removable. Here's a matte removable laminated. And then they give you a series of stickers, and they show you both samples of the die cut and the kiss cut sticker. So I know for customers, it's hard for them to grasp the difference between die cut and kiss cut. And we take that for granted. So here, this is as a gloss permanent laminated sample. And then you have a gloss removable, not laminated. Then you have the matte removable laminated. To me, I love the feel of a matte laminated sticker, and so does Magenta. She approves. There's another one. I really like this example here. This is matte permanent laminated, kiss and die. Then we got economy removable. This one you can tell is a lot thinner. It's the economy sticker. Die cut stickers. This is a textured sticker. This feels good. This, I guess this would be floor graphic material. It's got that non-slip textured feel to it. Clear stickers. I saw Gene the other day from Firesprint posted that they are now doing clear stickers. So there's samples of that in the kit. Holographic. And then a sheet of iCell signs and stickers that was in the kit as well. So this is what came in the sticker pack. I thought this was interesting. This, what do they call this? A shelf strip. So you know when you go into the grocery store and they have the pricing that's inserted in the front of the shelf, that's what this is. And very interesting material. I've never felt this before. This is 010 PVC. Never messed with that before in my life. So very cool that they offer that here. I've never had a request for that, but I know some people that have that type of shelving that aren't really utilizing stuff like this like a big store would. So I kind of want to go to some of those people now and talk to them about that. It's interesting. I got excited when I saw this because we don't have a flatbed cutter right now. I'm hoping to get one towards the end of the year, aren't we? Yes. But I have had requests from an auction house for these numbered auction paddles. So this feels really good. Lots of kind of samples of this. Oh, I'm sorry, did I screw you? Fans. We get requests for fans like all the time. And I love the idea of just doing a fan out of coroplast. Forget the popsicle stick. It's a cool idea. A quiet, that's a golf paddle. Okay, so we're not a golf tournament and you're holding up quiet, please. That's a cool idea. It's a miniature sample. What do you think? That's cool. That's cool. John Taylor for Congress. Political season's coming up. Keys to the city. Speaking of politicians, this is a miniature sample. They have different circle, rectangle, house, and then custom cut shapes of keys to the city. Cool idea. Selfie frames, which, you know, we have done selfie frames in-house, and I think one thing I like that they've done is they left the inside part in. You can see it's die cut right here, so you can take this out. But what a smart idea. That way it doesn't bend on you. Let the client take it out, and it'll get to them in one piece a little better. So smart idea on that. Also, miniature sample of the giant check on corrugated plastic, but also they do a foam core example as well. Super lightweight, feels really nice. We don't mess with foam core, foam board a lot. We don't mess with foam board. We typically do PVC, but this is nice. Maybe I should consider foam board more. I just don't trust my sign people to get it to me in one piece. Pump topper from like a gas pump. This is made from 2mm PVC. I have never used 2mm PVC. We always use 3mm. So that's interesting. And I thought this was neat. This is a front license plate. You can pop these out right here. And it is also made from 2mm PVC. They send a H stand as well, don't they, Magenta? Yes. Magenta likes the H stand. Sample of another yard sign. I think maybe this goes with this. I'll tell you another product that our cheer team here locally wanted some circular ones of these. This is a miniature sample, and they wanted them with the handles cut in it, cheer signs. So that's definitely a market for all of us to be looking into. You got my keys, girl. You make a lot of noise. I thought this was cool. A counter card, which comes with an easel back. So the counter card itself is printed on 040 styrene, which I have personally never used. I've never printed on styrene before. I really like this material. It seems very durable and lightweight, but they have this little easel paper backing thing that goes on it so that it stands up. So that's pretty cool. They provide several examples of corrugated plastic signs. So, you know, this has been huge for us. We ran a special the past couple months on graduation signs. That's been a big seller, but it's just brought a lot of people in the door that normally wouldn't come into the shop, so that's been good. Obviously, political signs, 4mm corrugated plastic. They scoop, we poop. And we do these big heads a lot. I cut them out by hand. I can't wait to have a flatbed to cut it out, but maybe what I should start doing is considering firesprint.com for the big heads. So it's nice to have that example there. And oh yeah, this was really cool. This thing right here is a miniature sample, actually. Okay, miniature sample, full to sign. So I'm guessing maybe this would be 24 by 36 on their website. And this folds down and those two pieces come together to have a foldable sign, A-frame sign. But this miniature version, I know it's just a miniature sample, but that's a pretty cool table topper itself. I wonder if they sell that as a product as well. But that is, that's pretty cool. And I guess too, for the large version, you could just put a little sandbag right there in the middle and it would stay right up. And then they provide you with 2 samples of 13-ounce matte banners. So the one sample is kind of more graphical, but also like they did provide one that shows a photograph, and you could tell from the photos it's super high quality print. So it looks really good. Looks like they use heat welding for the banner edges. Nice and fancy. They provide a little letter with there. So there's a couple of bullet points. So every order at firesprint.com ships blind. There's no mention of Firesprint. There's no mention of the pricing of the product you order on there. They provide free shipping on all orders over $49, free white label assets for your own promotion, free and discounted self-promo items, and then fast production times with most orders shipping in 1 to 2 business days. I've seen a lot of people online that use Firesprint that have been super, super happy with the speed with which they get stuff out. They are located in the middle of the country. They're in Omaha, Nebraska, so they can ship to both coasts very easily. I'm hoping to be in Omaha next month. We got the College World Series in Omaha, and my East Carolina University Pirates had a great year. They were top 8 in the country. They slid down a smidge. I think they're like number 12 or so. They've clinched the American Athletic Conference Championship. No school in the country has been to more regionals without going to the College World Series than East Carolina University. I hope this year's the year that changes, and I hope I'm going to Omaha. And if I do, Gene, I'm going to get up with you and I'm going to go take a tour of firesprint.com. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. I really appreciate you tuning in. Before I go, I hope that you guys, if you have any samples that are just absolutely critical for your business, what are they? What samples do you keep in front of the shop? What helps you sell product more than anything? Leave a comment below. I'm sure we would all be interested in hearing what all of you had to say. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you very soon. Take care.